Hello. This is the SAMSON Knee Support Hinged, a clinically designed neoprene brace, available in multiple sizes. The size chart is now shown on screen. Measure circumference around mid-thigh, approximately 6 inches above knee. Remove the brace gently from its packaging. Keeping the hinges facing outward and the patellar opening aligned with the center. Position the brace around the knee so the patellar window sits exactly over the kneecap. Wrap the lower strap securely, ensuring both hinges remain correctly oriented on each side. Then fasten the upper strap. Press all Velcro surfaces to lock the brace in place, confirming that the hinge alignment supports controlled knee movement without discomfort. To remove the product, release both straps slowly, detach the Velcro with care, and slide the brace downward while keeping the leg relaxed. The SAMSON Knee Support Hinged is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON, trusted by professionals, designed for you.